have always been a fan of Dubai Creek Harbour for its strategic location in Dubai, the beautiful waterfront developments, and the impressive appreciation it has seen till now. Imagine this community is still under significant development with its master plan not yet being fully realized and the construction of the iconic Creek Tower being just started, yet the price per square feet has jumped by 62% in the last 5 years. So what has been developed in Dubai Creek Harbour? There are 4 phases which have been developed in the Creek Harbour, and the last phase is called the Green Gate District. And we'll talk about what makes the Green Gate District best out of the already developed phases. So the Green Gate District is far bigger than the second phase, which is the Creek Beach District. Yet there are only 5 buildings in Green Gate District while there are 50 in Creek Beach. So this makes Green Gate District far less dense and less populated with about 48,000 square meter of green space. There are 2 upcoming metro stations near to Green Gate District, with one being just at a 5-minute walking distance from this district. And we all know any RTA developments close to a project appreciates its value. At only 750 meters away is the iconic Creek Tower, which is also rightly known as the female Burj Khalifa. The first school in Dubai Creek Harbour is going to be built in the Green Gate District. While these are great reasons to own something in the Green Gate District, the investment becomes a gold mine if it is a branded residence. Let me give you some stats. Out of the total 100 buildings which are developed in Dubai Creek Harbour, only 9 are branded residences, and there is a significant difference in capital appreciation and rental return in non-branded and branded residences, with branded residences providing a average of 20% higher appreciation in value and rental return. Green Gate Community plus branded residence is a combo that is unbeatable. There is going to be a last launch which is going to be a branded residence in the Green Gate District, and after this launch the community will be completed. There are going to be no further buildings in this district, so this is literally the last chance to own something so valuable. Comment Dubai Creek Harbour below and I will send you all the details.